Today we are going to start a new unit and we're going to be learning about shapes. Now some of you already learned about this or talked about it in math lab this year, so you're going to be rock stars this week and experts when it comes to this. So first we're going to talk about 2D shapes. Now you probably learned about 2D shapes in kindergarten and first grade. 2D stands for two-dimensional, and these are shapes, two-dimensional shapes are flat. That's the key here. We have to know that they're flat. So some examples of two-dimensional shapes are circles, squares, triangle, rectangle, and oval. When we talk about two-dimensional shapes, we can describe them with their sides and vertices. Vertices is just a fancy name for corners, okay? So if I think about a circle, it has 0 sides, but a square has 4 sides, okay? So we are talking about this big category of two-dimensional shapes. Now I've drawn an umbrella here because when we get under an umbrella and it's raining, things can go under it, right? People go under it. So just like an umbrella that we go under, an umbrella with a word like this is a category, and then there can be other things or categories under it. So we're going to learn about a group of shapes that falls under two-dimensional shapes, meaning all these things under it are two-dimensional shapes. And this group is called polygons. So a group of shapes that are all two-dimensional are called polygons. Now we're going to talk about what is a polygon. Okay? A polygon is a closed shape with straight lines that do not cross. Now I have a little trick to help us remember this, so I'm going to do it. A polygon is a closed shape with straight lines that do not cross. Okay, I want you to do that with me now. Ready? A polygon is a closed shape with straight lines that do not cross. Okay, we're going to look at some shapes and decide if they're a polygon or not. So be thinking about these things when we decide. And remember, this is under our 2D umbrella, meaning it has to be two-dimensional. If it's not flat, then it can't be a polygon. Okay, so my first one, I have an arrow. It is a closed shape, it has straight lines, and nothing is crossing. So that is a polygon. Okay. What about a cloud? I see all these bumps. Those are curves. If it's curving, it's not a straight line. So this cannot be a polygon. It's not a polygon. What about a circle? Did I say a circle has no sides because it's all curved? That means it's not straight lines. Not a polygon. Okay, what about this shape? Straight sides, straight lines, it's closed, and they don't cross. So this is a polygon. What about my little Pac-Man figure? Well, these are straight, but this is not. So this is not a polygon. Okay. What about this one? Now this is kind of tricky. If you look a little closer to my picture, this is like a dice. A dice is a cube, and a cube is not flat. It's not two-dimensional. So this cube is not a polygon. Okay? What about a triangle? Straight lines, it's closed, they don't cross. Okay? What about this shape? It is straight here, but then this is not straight, it curves. So it's not a polygon. A few more examples. What about this lightning bolt? They are all straight, it's closed, and they don't cross. So this is a polygon. I could count up all those little sides on there. Okay. I have a triangle, another triangle, straight sides, it's closed, and they do not cross, so that is a polygon. And let's look at one more. This is a moon, or shaped like a moon. Now this curves, and so does it over here, so that means it's not a polygon. Okay. So remember, two-dimensional shapes are flat, and then polygons it's a group of shapes, it's a category under 2D shapes. And to be a polygon, it has to be a closed shape, straight lines that do not cross. Okay, you're going to practice today deciding if shapes are a polygon or not. Goodbye.